Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be installing some bits and bobs to the car. I have actually just got a roof rack. I like the aesthetic of this, so I just had to get it, and also roof bars. So yeah, join me as I go through the fun of trying to fit these. Hopefully it should all go swimmingly. These are meant to be universal and these are the same make as them, so I'm really hopeful. A pair of scissors for anything I need to cut, socket set, things like that, and a stand for the TikTok that I'll probably make while I'm doing this. So yeah, join me. Well, I've just gone to the trouble of taking out the parcel shelf, so let's get these things open and have a look and see what we're working with here. Of course, being the manly man I am, I've not read any of the instructions. You're going straight in, raw dogging it, though I did look at a quick video online, so here they are. I have the duster with the roof rails on, so these open up with an Allen key, I believe, and then they'll clip on around the roof rails. That is the plan. We also have a big Allen key, as I just said, and there should be some keys, and the keys go into end there, and then Allen key into it. So let's have a look and see what we can get done, shall we? It looks like it should be pretty simple, but we'll see. I've taken the locking end cap off, and in there you can see the Allen key, and then that should open up that. So I'll do that and see if we can get them on the top. Well, thankfully that was every bit as easy as I'd hoped. So that's number one installed, and now to do the back one. Yeah, so as you can see, you just pop the Allen key in and you start to loosen it, and then just do it to the width of the bar. Now, part of this is because I had to carry that wood back from B&Q the other day, and it went on straight onto the roof rails, which is hardly ideal. So I thought, well, I'll get some roof bars, and then I saw on a Duster Owners Club someone had a cargo roof tray, and I bloody loved the aesthetic of it, so I've just gone for it. But let's get this one on, shall we? There we have it. Hopefully it'll go on. I just need it to extend a bit on that side. Just go over it. Just a bit more central. That one's gone on. That one's gone on. Just tightening up the final one now. And there we have it. That'll be the roof bars installed, which is spot on. Typically started raining. British weather, British summertime, midsummer. Fantastic. There we go, that's them fitted, all nice and secure, really nice, all on, ready to rock and roll. Now, to fit this bad boy, it has started raining, but all that means is a good reason to wear raincoat type situation. So I've decided the best way to do this, despite the rain, is on the floor. I'm just going to open it all up. Let's try and get it out, shall we? I'll slip both ends like an idiot. don't think it comes with instructions. Oh, it does. Let's have a little look, shall we? So easy enough, we've got some U-clamps here for connecting the base of the cage to the roof bars, which is all well and good, and in here you've got like the little upstands and bolts to separate the two halves, and then you've got the front apparently aerodynamic sort of screen there. So instructions at the ready, tools at the ready, we're going to see if we can just pop this together. The next you see, hopefully, it will be together. The ice cream man came round halfway through, so who am I to say now? Okay, so here it is completed on the floor. Now it's time to somehow get this contraption onto the top of the Duster. How this just looks on the Duster, I'm actually really happy with. Pardon the bird muck on the front, but how that looks I'm very happy with. Now I've just got to install the U-bolts front and back, and we'll be good to go. Sorry about the wind noise, can't do anything about that, but here we are. This is probably the worst YouTube video I've ever made, I don't even know, but there is the cargo rack on top, and I actually really like how it looks, and I'm glad I've got it, to be honest. I think it looks ace. I think it just sets off how it looks, really. I'm very happy with it. So, next up is the new head unit that's hopefully going to go in this week as well. All nice and secure. I have to say, it was rather fiddly getting it on there, but we're sorted. But let me know what you think to this. Yeah, I didn't really know what else to show. You know, all I've been doing is building it. But let me know what you think. Cheers for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.